got jalapenos coming out of my ears right now in this season, and boy, do I like to have in the morning a sourdough brötchen with a fried egg, and this jalapeno, well, actually, it's roasted jalapeno hot sauce is just so good on this. I roasted jalapenos here with onions and garlic for 40 minutes at 400 degrees in the oven, and this goes into a pot. Oh my God, this is heavy! Oh, shoot. All right, and on top of that goes a half a cup of vinegar. I'm using apple cider vinegar. A cup of water. Whoa. And a little bit of salt. Not too much. I'm going to bring this to a boil, and I'm going to let it boil, simmer for 5 minutes, and then I'll strain it. This just cooked for about 5 minutes, and now I'm going to use an immersion blender. Love these things. To blend it up a little bit, you got to make sure it's submerged so it doesn't splatter all over the place. And once it's blended, put it in a strainer, over a bowl, of course, and you squish out all the liquid, and then you got your hot sauce. Let me see what this tastes like. Oh my God, that is so good. So after you strain the jalapeno hot sauce out, you get this pulp that's left over. And what you can do is you can take that and you can put it on some parchment paper and put it in your dehydrator. Let it sit in there at a pretty low temperature, I think 120 degrees, and for about 10 hours. And then you get this stuff here, which you can crush up. I haven't really done that yet. I just broke it up into pieces. And it's a really, really awesome spice. Oh my gosh, it's so good.